Good morning, good morning, good morning. This next chicken recipe is a chicken salad, flying farmer chicken salad. So I do not have any canned chicken, which that is what it calls for, is cooked chicken. So I am going to boil some chicken thighs, and we're going to use that after it cools down and boils and all that. So we're going to get that done, and then I'll be back and we will put the salad together.
Here is a recipe for flying farmer salad. From the Montana women involved in farm economics. First, let's get the chicken by boiling some. We need 5 cups of chicken, 1.5 cup of green grapes, 1.5 sliced celery, 1 can drain pineapple tidbits, 1 can drain mandarin oranges, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoon orange juice, plus 1.5 cup mayo. Mix 1